Hello everybody, this is David Foss with MarineMax in Wakefield, Rhode Island, where we're standing aboard an in-stock, brand new Sea Ray 250 SDX boat. This boat in 2025 has been completely redesigned. We're going to do a quick walkthrough tour so you can see how this boat is optioned and take a look at the new styling for the Sea Ray 250 SDX. So noticing on the back of the boat here where I'm standing, you do have room to walk across this big swim platform even with the outboard motor, especially when it's down. This is a Mercury 300 horsepower Verado V8 engine powering the back of this Sea Ray 250. We have a beautiful sun pad cushion here on the back of the boat. 3 adults can lay across the back. I'm going to show you the walkthrough as I come in on this beautiful sea deck we have. Part of the redesign on this aft cushion is this little backrest flips down and extends it to become a full layout bed. Or you can put it up as a backrest while you're seating. So nice feature, and also notice the beautiful interior here. This is the dune color for this Sea Ray 250. Always with the outboard configuration, you get a ton of storage space. So I'm going to show you the large compartment we have here. So easy access to batteries and pumps, and also a big area to throw some beach bags in as well. So walking through, you can see Sea Ray does such a beautiful job with the interior. They're very social layouts. You have tons of seating. You've got this nice L-shaped seat here, plus on the captain side. Notice I do have the backrest for the companion seat and the captain seat pushed into the forward position. That way the captain can turn around and he can be hanging out, sitting with everybody. Same with the companion side. Again, adding to the social aspect of the layout on this boat. Very well thought out, very well done by Sea Ray. And then on this captain's backrest, you can easily slide it forward and back. There are multiple positions for different height and comfort, and you can have it all the way back. And then of course a flip up bolster so that you can get an elevated vantage point while driving the boat. We'll flip this seat back. Also has a flip up bolster. On both sides you have cup holders. At the helm, I'm going to walk in here and just show you a quick look at it. On the new design 250, they have added a glove box in the dash, so we have that here. We do have our SIMRAD. This is our multi-function device. It's a color chart screen. This is going to give you navigation, charts, sonar for depth. Also, you have a Mercury digital throttle shift here, very conveniently placed, and your switches. Sea Ray does such a beautiful job. You'll see on the dash on the Sea Ray boats, it's very modern looking. This acrylic inlaid screens, very simplistic, stylistic, and modern looking. So this is new on the 250. They've changed this so it's more of a center walkthrough. You do still have a head and a large compartment here, but it just makes traversing through the boat a little simpler, a little more aesthetically pleasing. And we can slide this door for a little extra headroom when you're getting in. And you can see how large that space is for your head. You do have a freshwater sink and some filler cushions, lots of storage space. Could be used as a changing room as well. Note on this boat, we have stocked it. This is a power sport tower. So this tower can electronically come up and down. There is a full bimini cover, and this is where your anchor light goes up here. But very cool looking, very sporty looking, and very functional sport tower with bimini cover for shade. Then moving up to the front of our 250, lots of space up here. There's cup holders, grab handles, there's storage underneath all of these seats, there's USB chargers, and lots of comfortable seating space. I can sit here, stretch all the way out, so you can have lots of lounge space, people sitting up here, eating lunch, hanging out, going for a ride. So very beautifully laid out, brand new 2025 Sea Ray 250 SDX. Again, my name is David. This boat is at MarineMax in Wakefield, Rhode Island. Look us up on the internet, give us a call, and make an appointment. Look forward to seeing you.